Hi guys, how you doing? Anything new? Exciting or fun or no? First, let me apologize, please. I am red and splotchy. I'm on prednisone again for my ehlers-danlos syndrome. I'm having some issues with my spine right now, so I'm back to the steroids. So, moon face, red and splotchy. I love it. Now, that isn't why I haven't been on though. And I didn't open my Ipsy, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to. I think Ipsy and I are gonna break up this month. And I'm really upset. I mean, I have been a customer for about 5.5 years now, and I used to get the 2 bags they offered, the Glam and the Glam Plus, and then they added a third, and I've been with Ipsy. So on the 13th of May, I usually have my box. If you notice, I usually upload around the 13th, the 16th, right? So on the 13th of May, I noticed my box hadn't even been sent yet. No mailing. So I wrote a little support ticket. Hi Ipsy, what's going on? I usually have my Ipsy by now. You haven't mailed it. Is everything cool? Oh yeah, we're behind. We're just running late. Don't worry, everything's fine. Okay, so this was the 13th. We went back a couple times. A young lady named, we'll call her Emily or something, don't know. So we write back and forth a couple times, and then she just drops off. I'm like, hello. So I had written on the 13th, so I emailed on about the 20th or the 21st. Still hadn't shipped. Now, I did receive an email from Ipsy itself that said, on the 18th, it said, we're so sorry, we've been so busy, but your package is going to get out and we're going to mail it to you and life's going to be great again. Because remember, this is the Anastasia of Beverly Hills box. And I had, so we got back in touch and I said, you said you mailed it, it hasn't mailed, but it was only 2 days. So we waited. So I noticed the date yesterday, excuse me. I see the date yesterday. I'm like, Jesus Christ. So I go to track my Ipsy, still hadn't mailed on the 28th. I'm like, all right, they're just really busy. Let me email and check in. So I emailed and checked in, and Emily decided to apologize for being away for a few days. Okay, I guess. It's not very professional, but I'll take it, And then she asks, or basically informs me that, hey, Aunt Maddie, we're going to refund your add-ons. We're out of stock on those. And we're going to refund your Beauty Boost item that you pay extra for that you didn't even sign up for because we're out of stock. Okay. Lastly, we're going to refund you $65 in tax because our boxes are out of stock. Now, I know that sounds stupid, and I know this is such a first world problem, and I've told my kids this, I think I've told you guys this, like the second day of the month, the 2nd is my favorite day of the month. That is the month we get to go in and do our little Ipsy picks. And I had been bragging about this Anastasia of Beverly Hills box. If you've been here, been around the past couple months since I've known, right? My box contained, they gave me, it was the Anastasia of Beverly Hills cream bronzer. It was in a shade I could use. It was, a little light for whatever. I picked out her Ipsy exclusive eye palette. It's like Primrose something. It matches the one she has out, but it's not the same. It's only available through Ipsy. I had chosen that. I had chosen a mini soft glam palette. They offered that. I mean, a bunch of good shit, right? Had my box picked out. So I went to Twitter and blew them up. And I tweeted, hey, I paid you guys $100 on the 1st. Where's my box? Because I want it. So, all these representatives started blowing up my email. I had 3. And I emailed 3 of them. What happened? Do you know who got back to me? None of them. So I said to them, and what I basically, my last was, if you do not find me my Anastasia of Beverly Hills box that I selected on the 2nd, you can cancel my membership. Just cancel it. Because if I can't trust you, a company that I pay, you know, to have my shit ready for the mailman to bring it to my house, then I just don't want to fuck with you. I don't. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. I don't even know where to, how could they have run out of stock on a box that I picked out? And I think what really pushed me over the edge is the fact that I saw the 13th. I saw that it was the 13th. I'm like, oh, I should, you know, be making a video soon, checking the mail. It hadn't been mailed, and buying their shit and believing them. And I'm going to tell you, ever since December, when Ipsy merged with BoxyCharms, it's been a lot of problems. There really has. You know, my last box was good. I was very happy with that. And this one, I mean, no, I was so excited for this one, and no. So if I don't receive this one, and it doesn't look like I'm gonna, they can basically screw off. Because I'm gonna tell you, what they bill on the 1st of every month, okay? The package I usually get is the Glam Plus boxer bag, and I think that's about $35 plus tax. Okay, I get that every month. Then every 3rd month you get this icon box. They're now calling it BoxyCharm or X Glam or whatever. It's got 3 different names, but it is $65 plus tax, you know? And every 1st of the month, I make sure my goddamn Ipsy money is in that account. Not once have I missed a payment or sent a broken payment or half a payment or the shit I've dealt with from this company. But to lose my whole box plus my beauty boost item and my add-ons in just an email, you know, not that it was searched, or I didn't feel that anything was really looked up, because it was like snap snap and my box was gone. And the girl actually said to me, oh, I'm sorry, I took a few days off, I meant to get a hold of you. Like, bitch, what you had a job. You had a job. I'm so upset. And I don't know, I think I had a very stressful week, number 1. So I think maybe it's all kind of coming out on Ipsy, you know, like I'm on the steroids. I'm having a very bad problem with that area in my spine that I do. I went for 1 MRI, which was horrible. I have to go for another next month. I think I have to have about 6 or 7 again, a whole new series to see what kind of damage we're dealing with, where, as far as my ehlers-danlos goes. And if you remember, you know, I'm not complaining or anything, but this channel was started on my disease. And this was supposed to be like a video journal for my daughter. And she told me to do what I like. So I like makeup and Ipsy. So that's what I was doing. And now I don't have Ipsy. And I'm just mad at the world this week. I am. Whew. I have a lot of medical things in my life I don't bitch about. I try so hard not to complain and be a pain in the ass, and you just look forward to one stupid thing a month. And I was on it. It would be different if, like, oh, it's the 28th, and I didn't realize they hadn't, but I realized by the 13th. I mailed on the 13th, the 18th, the 20th, the 21st, 27th, the 28th. How did they run out of my item? That's all I want to know. That's it. I have been a great customer. I shop in their shitty shop. I buy their shitty add-ons. I get their shitty products. For what? For what? I'm sorry if my eyes just went a little goofy. I do have my phone on airplane mode, but for some reason, iPhone is a pain in my fat ass, and it still works on airplane mode. So I had a message, but I'm trying, because if I look away, woo, woo, woo. Such an idiot. Yeah, it's just a bad week, and I'm sorry, and I don't want to come on in a bad week and like cry about makeup, because it's probably not the makeup. Ipsy is probably not the biggest thing in my life. It's a favorite thing in my life. It's a happy thing. It's something I pay for that I expect, you know? I'm getting older. I'm not like Ooh, I'm sorry for your inconvenience. I'm kind of pissed over mine right now. I have been looking forward to that box since they announced it would be Anastasia of Beverly Hills. If you want to go back and look, my kids knew. That's how annoying and excited I was about this. And they're out of stock of my entire box, all of my add-ons, and my Beauty Boost item. I don't get it. Excuse the cotton mouth. I have a fan on because my hair is down. I don't know if you could tell. I have very long, very thick hair, so it gets a little hot under here. I didn't feel like doing it today, so I just had fan, if that's cool, because I just wanted to check in because it's been, I'm 15 days late to open my box, and I won't be doing that, and I'm sorry. My daughter told me to look into other subscription places. I don't know. I really don't. I was getting a bead box, dollar bead box. I was very unhappy with that. I ended that because I make jewelry, sun catchers, garden stakes, all the shiny, goofy shit. I make all that. So the bead box was cool for what it was, but they don't, I need more beads and sizes than what they were sending. So that was a no-go. And now Ipsy. I mean, I am, somewhere in my heart on the inside, I am the optimist. And I'm like, they're going to do it, and you're going to have your box. And then my brain says, you fucking idiot, you have been here, and you know how this goes. You know you're not going to get one. So I don't know, because my head and my heart are arguing in the middle, right here. Woo! Again, I'm sorry. I know I'm all red and blotched at the steroids. I'm hot. Ugh, I hate them. I do. I'm trying to do a really quick course, and I see my doctor on the 2nd, so we'll handle all that then. But it's nothing anybody needs to be worrying about. It's just the disease I have and what it does, and yeah. So I'm going to stop bitching about my disease, my illness, my hair, my hot, my steroids, my Ipsy. I could even bitch about one of my kids this week. It was bad. Somebody's disrespect. I tell you today, I don't know. Kids are living in the home longer. I'm living when my son's going to be 23 in July and my daughter's 25. They're not moving out anymore, and it's just like this leftover teenagehood. And sometimes it comes across as really disrespectful. I don't give a shit if you're 105. Sometimes gotta be a little respectful. And it wasn't the girl. That's all I have to say. So yeah, bad week, just capping it off. But I did want to pop in because you are a little piece of happy I have to YouTube. So that's it. I'm going to click my thing, unclick it and re-click it because I'm an old fucking lady who screws this up all the time. I shouldn't even have this technology. My son should have known better when he gave it to me. Okay. So yeah, I sincerely hope you're well. And what's up with you? Hey, tell me. I'd love to hear about it. I really would, because I just told you everything that's up with me. And that is everything. I am sorry. I do hope that you have a great everything. I'll be back soon. I'm just going to figure out what I'm going to do, what I'm not going to do, what's going on. But that's the story for Ipsy this month. So I don't think anybody really gives a shit that comes here, but I am sorry. I did all I could, and I am I'm so disappointed. I am. And it's dumb. I know everything's just coming out over Ipsy, but yeah, that was kind of the straw this week. So that is it. You be wonderful. I hope you're awesome. I hope everything goes as good as it possibly can for you. And I will talk to you soon, okay? Bye.